What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube. You want to make some money on YouTube?
I do.
I think you do. Denver does. Denver wants to make more money on YouTube. Listen, there are certain ways that if you start implementing different strategies into your YouTube channel right from the beginning, you can start making money almost immediately. We're going to be talking about that today. It's called affiliate marketing. And this video is all about different affiliate programs that you can jump into that will pay you reoccurring monthly, or that will pay you big ticket numbers. Like, we're talking big money. Big money.
Very large money.
Very large dollar bills, like twice the size of a normal dollar bill. Anyway, stay tuned, you guys. We'll be right back just after this.
Now, before we get started, guys, make sure you hit like and subscribe on this video. Helps us out, but you don't want to miss any of our uploads. We've got some amazing videos. Go check them out. Now, the first one we want to tell you guys about, let's get the most obvious one out of the way. It's Amazon, right? Amazon, you can put literally anything that's on Amazon, you can link it in an affiliate link into your videos and be making money before you're even monetized on YouTube. I do it. I put my entire gear setup that I got from other YouTubers and just ideas that they've done. I put that in my own description. I get like probably, I don't even think Scott knows this, I get a couple hundred clicks a day, and I'm making extra money just for having a link in my description to all of my setup, my monitors, you know, headphones, anything. I just throw it down there. Amazon brings in a ton of money. Scott, have you been using that as well in your channels?
Actually, I have. Yeah, we've got some clients that we started a YouTube channel with them in 2019, and on day 2, they were making money. So they created content. On their first day, the second day, they sold products through their Amazon link. So if you guys aren't monetized yet through the YouTube Partner Program, jump on Amazon, grab some links, throw them into your description, and shout them out in your video. Now, you have to disclose that they're affiliate links so people know that you're going to make money from them, but you can start making money right away. The best part about Amazon, you guys, is Amazon stores a 24-hour cookie on that person's computer. So anything they buy in the next 24 hours after clicking your link, you get credit for it and you get a percentage of it.
That's amazing.
That's the power of the Amazon affiliate.
I actually didn't even know that. But yeah, that's incredible. They don't even have to buy your stuff that you link them to, right? If they buy anything else, you get a portion of that.
Yep,
that's incredible.
Correct. Yeah, we have this channel that we've put 5 videos up in the last 9 months, and it has sold over 400 different products, 400 product sales from our affiliate links. Yeah, incredible.
Wow.
Incredible.
All right, let's move on. Tell us about TubeBuddy, Scott. What is it, and why should people be using affiliate links for it?
So TubeBuddy is what's called a SaaS, software as a service product, and they essentially provide advanced analytics for YouTube. They provide like A/B testing, they provide some really cool keyword features, and a lot of other features. If you guys haven't heard of TubeBuddy, you need to check them out. Yep. So we actually have a 30-day free trial for their Legend subscription, which will save you $50 a month. But if you guys want to check them out, you can do that. It's totally worth it. Now, the cool thing about TubeBuddy as an affiliate program is TubeBuddy offers monthly reoccurring payments. So as long as the person who purchases TubeBuddy continues to make their payments, you get paid each month. And I know people who are making thousands of dollars a month off of their TubeBuddy affiliate program, and if they turned off their YouTube channel tomorrow, they would still end up making thousands of dollars a month. So it's an amazing way to make passive income from an affiliate program.
We love TubeBuddy. I even tell all like my big YouTuber buddies, I'm like, you guys got to try this out. Like, how do you not know about this? Like A/B testing, you literally can put one thumbnail and another thumbnail, and TubeBuddy will tell you exactly which thumbnail has higher CTR, which resulted in, I guess, higher watch time and stuff. I mean, it keeps some crazy statistics. But moving on, we'll tell you guys about our third one here, Fiverr. Scott and I, we love Fiverr. We tell you guys all the time, like, if you don't know graphic design very well, it doesn't matter. That isn't a skill that you have to have on YouTube. Could it save you some money? Yes. But with these artists on Fiverr, they don't charge a lot of money, and sometimes you get very quality products. Just find a good one with a lot of good ratings, pay them a little money. But again, how can we make money with this ourselves, Scott?
Oh my gosh, you know, there's so many different cool things that you can do with Fiverr. It's not just limited to graphic design or art or anything like that. You can get voice talent, you can have people write your scripts for you, you can have people do advertising for you, you could have people invest money for you, all through Fiverr. It's incredible. So you just have to go to you can Google search Fiverr affiliate program, and you'll be able to find their affiliate opportunity and sign up for it, and then you can start making money every time you refer somebody over to Fiverr. It's an awesome resource. Awesome resource.
Now, moving on, before we get into the next one, guys, do not miss the last one in this list. Scott and I, we always save the best for last, so you got to be here for the whole video to be able to see it, and it'll make you a lot of money. Now, this next one, we kind of talked about with the Amazon affiliate links, but anything that you like that you're using with your computer, it doesn't just have to be on Amazon. You can go find any company. A lot of these companies have affiliate programs. So whether it be a camera you're using, whether it be I've got Elgato lights, right? Any mouse, any keyboard, even full-on laptops. It doesn't have to be just Amazon affiliates, but anything that you're using for your YouTube setup, your computer setup, you guys can put links to that stuff down below. Again, make sure that you tell people it is an affiliate link, and this just kind of covers everything. But even software like Adobe, right, that you're using, some of these softwares that you're using, you can make a lot of money off this stuff because people want to know what you use so that they can use it too. You can make a lot of money in the meantime.
And it doesn't stop there, you guys. I mean, almost every company out there has an affiliate program now.
Because it helps them a ton.
Well, and it's because they understand the power of influencer marketing. So if they get you guys talking about it, then they're going to ultimately end up getting more people in, and that's worth it to them because then they don't have to spend that money on Facebook ads or on Google SEO or whatever. So the companies are incentivized to use you to promote their products because it's cheaper for them. So if you have a company that you want to work with, reach out to them and see if they have an affiliate program. And if they don't, then just let them know that you're interested in utilizing them if they would be willing to pay you a small portion off of every sale that you get. Because you can do this with, like Denver said, computer equipment, mouses, mice.
We'll go with Mies.
We'll go with Mies. You can do this with Mies. You can do this with keyboards. You can do this with monitors, cameras, the whole 9 yards. But you can also do it with drinks and soda and food and all sorts of cool stuff. Walmart has an amazing affiliate program. Target has an amazing affiliate program. So you could do clothing,
fitness, yoga. I mean, there's so many channels, right? And Scott, you even work with some of these as your clients, right? Fitness channels, but just having good athletic gear or something, or even this shirt, you know, maybe some of you guys now are like, dang, what shirt is he wearing? I like that shirt. I could just link it down below and I can make a little extra money. You can get the shirt that you maybe wanted. I mean, it could be anything, but especially in the gaming community. I mean, we have, I guess I'll even give him a shout out. I mean, everybody in the gaming community knows G Fuel, right? G Fuel makes so much money because they pay a lot of money. They pay their influencers like 30% of all revenue that influencer brings in, which is absurd, right? So Scott, are we ready for this last one?
Dude, I am. But before we do that, I want to make sure that you're up for this. You're going to actually link your shirt in our description right now, right? So they get the shirt that's off of your pack.
Oh my gosh.
And then the next video, Denver will be
found this shirt shirtless at a local yard sale. It was $5. You can get $1 off right now.
All right, you guys. Like we said, we saved the best for last. Now, if you're interested, you want to skip all of these like nickel and dime stuff, right? It's like, yeah, 4% from Amazon, that's great. But I want hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars for my affiliate programs. Well, guess what? There are awesome affiliate programs that you can jump right into that will pay you hundreds or thousands of dollars per sale, and some of them are reoccurring. One of the most popular ones that's reoccurring is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels pays you upwards of 40% of your sales, of the sales, and their software runs a couple $1,000s a year, up to $3,000 a year. So if you get people to buy that software from your channel and you make 40% of that, I can't really do the math right now, but it's over $1,000 a sale, and that is recurring. Every time that person pays that amount each year, you get another check for 40% or whatever is the affiliate program is that you jump into at that moment. But the point is that if you want to avoid, the little small knick-knacky things and making those small sales, you can make a big chunk of money using a bigger affiliate program like ClickFunnels. So again, check out the affiliate programs, check out the offers, and see what fits with your channel. The biggest takeaway here, guys, is that you want to find a program that's going to fit for your audience. You don't want to be just chasing the dollar signs if it doesn't fit with your audience.
All right, thanks for watching today, guys. Hopefully this brings in a little extra revenue. Remember, this could be before you even get monetized on YouTube. It could just be extra. You could just put a single link like I usually do, or you can actually pursue like a big company that pays out a lot of money. It's totally up to you guys on what fits with your channel. Other than that, hit like, subscribe, go check out our other videos right now. We've got some great ones, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.
Peace.